Welcome back. In this video, we will see a demonstration on how to create a stacked wall composed of three basic walls. To start with, the details of the stacked wall which we need to create is, name of the wall is stack S200, which consists of three basic walls, namely W200 material brick with a thickness of 200 mm and height variable. Second wall is W450 material concrete, thickness 450 mm and height should be 400 mm. Our third wall will be W800 material again concrete, thickness 800 mm and height should be 500 mm. So here on the right side you can see the preview of your stacked wall to be created. So let's switch to Revit and start creating our newly stacked wall. So before creating the stack wall, we need to first create the three basic wall which we need to use for stack wall. So let's start making with this W200, W450 and W800. So let's go to wall architectural. I'll go to generic 200 mm, edit type, duplicate, and let me give the name as W200. Go to structure and edit, and the material will change it to brick. Thickness we leave it as it is as 200. Click OK. Next we create our second wall, that is W450. So for that we duplicate the previously created wall and let's make it W450. Let's come to the structure and edit and change the thickness to 450 and the material to concrete masonry units. So let's go and check for concrete masonry units, select and then click OK. Let's create the third wall, that is W800. So we'll duplicate W800, edit, leave the material as it is and change the thickness to 800. We can switch off the preview for a while and then click OK. Let's go back to wall architectural again, and let's see our three new created basic walls are present here. Now we need to use these three walls and create a stack wall. So for this, let's go to stack wall and select. Now go to edit type, duplicate this, and now we need to rename this. So we rename it to stack S200. And then click OK. Next we'll edit the structure. So click on edit and then click on and expand the preview. Now here you will see already there are two walls are present. So in our case we need to create a stack wall using three walls which we have created already. So now we go and click on insert to add our third wall. Now as we know, our first wall, that is W200, should be variable. So what we'll do, we select the height or the second wall and take it up. We want the variable layer to be always on the top. Next we'll start creating the stack wall from the bottom. So let's change the third wall and make it W800. Let's change the second to W450 and let's change the first one to W200. Now once they are set up, let's change their height. So W800 should be 500 mm, W450 will be 400, and W200, as we know, it will be always variable. So now here you can see the preview of your stack wall. Once it is done, click OK and done. Let me cancel this. Now let's go and check. Go to wall architectural. Now this time you can see under stack wall our newly created stack S200 is already present, so we can use this wall. Select and let's draw a shape. Let's make a rectangle with a let's make a rectangular wall with a level height of level 2. So let's just draw it here with the random dimension. Press escape, and then to see in a proper way we can go to 3D view and then change it to the detail view to fine and visual style to let it be consistent color, and then we can zoom it. So you can see your stack wall is properly created.